back to my channel. Today we will do the second project in Ramadan decoration series. It's a crescent moonlight. It's beautiful when you see it at night or in the dark. Hope you will like it. So let's start. What we will need: glass plate, or I found this plastic plate too, garden wire, or it can be any wire, glue, cylindrical wooden pen, sprinkling stars, wire cutter, glass ball, and piece of foil or silver tape. Now let's start. We will take the wire and try to make a crescent. I will cover it with the foil or the pipe cleaner like this. You can choose the color that you like. I choose the silver, so it will be like this one. I will show you how we do it. And so on until we reach to this, finish it all. Or if you don't have the pipe cleaner, you can use foil. I will take like this and try to cover it. Like this. So in this step you can use pipe cleaner or foil or silver tape. What you have, what's easier for you, you can do that. And the end will be like this. Now we will glue the crescent with cylindrical wooden pen like this one, or you can use, I found all these materials, I found it in dollar store, Dollarama, Dollar Tree, and this in the garden section with the wire garden. And this too, it's a straw, but it's not soft, it's hard one. So now with the glue gun, we will, before the glue gun, we will cover this with the foil. Like this. I have one ready. Now I will glue it from here with the glue gun. it until it will dry. I bring the light, the fairy light, and start cover the crescent with it. So we will cover it all until we finish all the crescent. And now we will glue it in the middle. In the middle, here. I have one glued, but I just, after this step, we will put some sprinkling stars. You can use the color that you like, any color. Or you can use any anything you have, any decoration. It doesn't have to be like this. I also have like diamond. It's in dollar store too. It's plastic diamond for decoration. And the final look will be like this. And now you will put the ball like this. Now you can leave it like this, or you can design the ball with stars. And also it depends on the color that you like. This star is actually from dollar store too, or I found it also in Walmart, or any craft store you will find it too. Until you do it all. And now you open the light and see how beautiful it is.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next project. Assalamu alaikum.